Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video right here on World Liberty Financial. And I made a grave mistake. All right, starting with that right now. Yesterday evening, I still made one new update on World Liberty Financial when the prices were right here, around 23 cents, and I uploaded it, but I uploaded the wrong video file. So I uploaded my middle of the day market update again. So my apologies for that. That means that there was no new updates from World Liberty Financial from me. Yesterday, I did post a little bit of a prediction on X. So I wanted to look at that in this video. I wanted to talk about, has that actually happened? And to what extent. So that's what we'll do. We're going to do a full update on it as well. Can we expect some sort of a short squeeze? Are we going to drop down lower? Etc, etc. And if you're interested in World Liberty Financial updates, consider subscribing. If you potentially want to know how I'm trading this, consider joining our Profitable Signal group. The link to that will be down in the description. But for now, let's get right into it. So what I said yesterday is this. All right, what I expected for the launch is an early dump, shorters get rewarded, local bottom relatively soon, short squeeze, continued sell-off. And this is still what I do expect. However, I'm not certain if that early dump is over. And I'll tell you why. All right, so we got that early dump, right? I think it launched at like 30 cents. That's not what I wanted. It launched at like 30 cents. We got a dump of about 30%. So I was right about that, right? For the record. However, what I said afterwards is a local bottom relatively soon and a short squeeze. And that is also one of the reasons why I wanted to make a video this morning. I'm not certain of that short squeeze. I don't see enough momentum coming in from this support level we hit, right? So the support level we hit was 21.20 cents. That was also the bottom we made Sunday the 24th of August, going into Monday the 25th of August. So we had short positions closing off into that area. And that's also what you can see right here, right? The open interest right here goes down, CVD goes up, shorters are getting out. And then but then what you see afterwards is that immediately after, some early longers that longed at 21 and, 21, 22 cents also got out. So the conviction in buying WLFI is not that strong from that support level, and there's also no other incentive to long World Liberty Financial. I mean, what you see quite often is that, for example, the funding rate gets negative. All right, so because of the amount of shorters, because ultimately there are still quite a lot of shorters in the price of WLFI. But that's also not the case. The funding rate at this point of time is normal. It's actually positive, right? So shorters actually get rewarded. So the lack of buying momentum coming from this level, no negative funding rate, still a lot of shorters being in and being rewarded makes me say it's more likely that we will remain relatively stable here. But I think from this stability, it's not likely, it's possible we fill this gap to the upside at 27.5 cents. That's the main resistance level, but I don't see any reason. Momentum is also decreasing. I don't see any reason why we would break above that. And I think it's more likely that we will drop down into that level right here between 17.5 and 15 cents lower. And then from there, we'll try again. Maybe then we actually do have some sort of a negative funding rate. Maybe then we actually do have buyers interested in jumping in. But ultimately, what it boils down to is that at this point of time, I'm not convinced we can get a short squeeze. All right, there's just the proportion of people being short is not high enough, and there's no incentive to go long. There's no incentive to squeeze them. And I think ultimately that might boil down to the fully diluted valuation being $25 billion. I still think that's too high, even if you include a Trump premium for the project. So yeah, for now, I'd say this is most likely. I will keep you updated on this. I will probably post daily updates on this for the foreseeable future, at least this week. So hopefully I'll see you in there. I will also cover this briefly in my middle of the day market update, which I probably publish every day. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, hopefully, and bye.